Hi everyone, today I'm going to make a pasta with one of my favorite things, black garlic. But first, what is black garlic? Black garlic was developed in Asia. Some sources say it's centuries old, while others say it was invented in 2004. Either way, it's still a wonderful product. At its core, it's garlic cloves that have been aged at specific heat and humidity levels for a few weeks. These conditions break down the strong spicy garlic flavors and convert them to this beautiful black, sweet, molassesy-like garlic that is delicious. The flavor that I think it's closest to is balsamic vinegar, but it's just sweeter. I used to be the chef of a fine dining Asian restaurant, and I'd always have black garlic on the menu. I would use it on heirloom tomato salads with yuzu, miso, cucumber, or on a hamachi sashimi dish. I would use it in a sauce with smoked soy to kind of make like a barbecue sauce. The possibilities for black garlic are only limited by your imagination. Can you substitute black garlic for regular garlic in recipes? You can, but they're two completely different flavors. Let's say you're making garlic bread. Would you want your garlic bread to be sweet and taste like balsamic vinegar? Probably not, so just keep that in mind when you decide to use black garlic. Now onto the pasta. We're going to make a linguini with guanciale, heirloom tomatoes, ricotta cheese, and of course, black garlic. Once you peel the black garlic, the easiest way I found to process it is a garlic press. It squeezes right through and keeps the mess down to a minimum. If you don't have a garlic press, you can just use a knife and a cutting board to chop it up. Summer's in full swing, so that means heirloom tomatoes. We just want to grab a few of these and cut them into big pieces. Then julienne some red onion. Let's chop up some regular garlic. This is guanciale, it's made from pork jows, and we just want to cook this up like bacon. Then add our garlic and red onions to the pan and let it caramelize for a few minutes. Drizzle in a little olive oil. Now we can add in our black garlic and just mix this around. It's going to help bloom the garlic. Some fresh oregano and basil. Add in the chili flakes. Add the tomatoes and just cook it for a few seconds. We just want to warm them through and not really cook them too much. Season with salt and pepper and then add in some more olive oil. Then we're going to add in our pasta and toss everything until it's evenly coated. We're going to finish it with some more olive oil. Last thing we need to do is put our pasta in a bowl and then top it with some ricotta cheese, our guanciale, and some herbs. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed my video on how to make black garlic pasta. Leave me a comment if you want to see more black garlic recipes. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. See you next time.